Hey there, friend. Imagine you're scrolling late at night, that familiar ache setting in, purposelessness like fog, sadness pressing down, loneliness ringing in the silence. Our world is loud but strangely empty. Today, let's sit with someone who knew ache better than most, Confucius, Master Kong, the man who turned personal exile and rejection into a light that still guides millions. Born in 551 BCE in the state of Lu, orphaned young, he worked as a shepherd and a clerk. He rose to become a minister, then lost everything, slandered by jealous rivals, forced to flee with a handful of students. For 14 years, he wandered from state to state, hungry, mocked, sometimes nearly killed. Dukes laughed at him, guards chased him away. Once his little group ran out of food for 7 days and lived on wild greens. His students begged him, Master, why keep going? No one listens. Confucius looked at them, thin and exhausted, and said, The phoenix does not come. The river sends forth no chart. It is all over with me, is it? Then he smiled and added, And yet I keep teaching. Because if I stop, who will carry the torch? Heaven has given me this mission, and as long as I breathe, I will walk the path. He picked up his lute and began to sing. The students, moved to tears, found strength again. Years later, when he finally returned home, old and unrecognized by rulers, his teachings quietly spread and reshaped the soul of an entire civilization. He leans closer. Remember, Ren, human heartedness. It starts when you refuse to let bitterness close your heart, even after betrayal. I was slandered, exiled, starved, yet I still bowed respectfully to every gatekeeper who turned me away. Why? Because Ren is not weakness. It is the strongest force on earth. That's why he taught Shu reciprocity. Do not do to others what you do not want done to yourself. Practice it once daily. Reach out, listen deeply, and watch loneliness crack open. Then bring Li into your days. Simple, mindful rituals. Every morning on the road, when starving, Confucius would straighten his robe and cap before teaching. A small act of dignity in chaos. Try one small ritual this week. A quiet cup of tea, a walk without phone, a proper goodnight to someone you love. It anchors you when everything else drifts. And never abandon Yi, right action when no one is watching. In exile, corrupt lords offered him wealth if he'd flatter them. He refused every time. Better to die with integrity than live as a well-fed liar, he said. Choose Yi once this week, however small, and feel your self-respect return like solid ground under your feet. His final reminder, spoken softly after decades of disappointment. To put the world in order, we must first set our hearts right. So friend, borrow Master Kong's courage this week. One act of Ren, one conscious Li ritual, one choice guided by Yi. You're walking the same road he walked, hungry, tired, sometimes unseen, but every step with heart is never wasted. Thank you for sitting with Wandering Sage and me today. Next episode, we'll pour another cup and walk with another teacher who turned darkness into dawn. Until then, one breath, one step, one sunrise at a time. See you soon.